Welcome back to Stoic Harmony, where we explore the timeless wisdom of Stoicism and how it can be applied to modern life, particularly in relationships. In today's video, we will delve into how you can make a woman think about you nonstop by mastering 10 key skills rooted in Stoic philosophy. This isn't about manipulation or games, it's about becoming the best version of yourself and letting your authentic self shine through. So, if you're ready to become irresistibly memorable, let's dive in. Master emotional resilience. Stoicism teaches us the importance of controlling our emotions rather than being controlled by them. Emotional resilience is the ability to maintain your composure, even in stressful situations. Women are attracted to men who are stable and composed, especially during challenging times. When you master your emotions, you become a rock in a sea of chaos, and this reliability is incredibly appealing. Practice mindfulness and meditation to stay centered. Reflect on your emotional reactions and identify triggers. Respond rather than react in stressful situations. Cultivate a strong sense of purpose. A man with a strong sense of purpose is naturally attractive. When you know what you want out of life and are actively working towards your goals, you exude confidence and determination. This not only makes you more appealing but also inspires others, including women, to be around you. Set clear, achievable goals and pursue them with passion. Share your ambitions and progress with the woman you're interested in. Stay focused on your path, even if it means making sacrifices. Exude authentic confidence. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits a person can have. However, there's a difference between arrogance and authentic confidence. Authentic confidence comes from knowing your worth and not needing validation from others. Stoicism encourages self-awareness and self-acceptance, which are the foundations of true confidence. Practice self-compassion and accept your flaws. Engage in activities that make you feel competent and capable. Avoid boasting, let your actions speak for you. Develop excellent communication skills. Good communication is key to any successful relationship. Being able to express yourself clearly and listen actively makes you more relatable and trustworthy. Women appreciate men who can articulate their thoughts and feelings while also being attentive listeners. Practice active listening and validate the other person's feelings. Be honest and transparent in your communication. Avoid interrupting and focus on understanding rather than replying. 5. Maintain physical and mental health. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of taking care of both body and mind. A healthy lifestyle not only boosts your confidence but also makes you more attractive. Women are naturally drawn to men who take care of themselves and prioritize their well-being. Engage in regular physical exercise and eat a balanced diet. Prioritize mental health through activities like meditation, journaling, or therapy. Get enough sleep and manage stress effectively. 6. Show genuine kindness and compassion. Being kind and compassionate is a powerful way to make a lasting impression. Stoicism teaches us to be empathetic and to treat others with respect. Genuine kindness is not about expecting something in return, it's about making others feel valued and understood. Perform small acts of kindness without expecting recognition. Show empathy by acknowledging and validating others' feelings. Be supportive and offer help when needed. Be consistent and reliable. Reliability is a highly valued trait in any relationship. Being consistent in your actions and words builds trust and respect. When a woman knows she can count on you, it deepens the connection and makes you unforgettable. Keep your promises and follow through on commitments. Be punctual and respect others' time. Communicate openly if you can't meet expectations and offer alternatives. Cultivate a sense of humor. A good sense of humor can make you more approachable and enjoyable to be around. Stoicism teaches us not to take life too seriously and to find joy in the little things. A well-timed joke or a light-hearted approach can diffuse tension and create a positive atmosphere. Find humor in everyday situations without being offensive. Share funny experiences or stories that are relatable. Be playful and enjoy light-hearted moments. Demonstrate intellectual curiosity. Intellectual curiosity is an attractive trait because it shows you're open-minded and eager to learn. Whether it's about the world, new ideas, or the person you're interested in, showing curiosity demonstrates that you're engaged and interested. Ask thoughtful questions and show genuine interest in her answers. Share interesting facts or insights you've learned recently. Be open to exploring new topics and perspectives. Practice Stoic indifference. Stoic indifference, or apatheia, is the idea of being detached from external events and focusing on what you can control. This doesn't mean being cold or aloof, but rather not being overly affected by things outside your control. This attitude can be incredibly attractive as it shows emotional maturity and stability. Focus on your own actions and responses rather than trying to control others. Let go of the need for approval and accept that not everyone will like you. Stay calm and composed in the face of challenges or rejection. Incorporating these Stoic principles into your life can make you more attractive and memorable to women, but more importantly, they help you become a better, more authentic version of yourself. Remember, the goal isn't to manipulate or play games, but to develop genuine qualities that naturally draw others to you. As you work on these skills, you'll not only make a lasting impression on women, but also lead a more fulfilling and balanced life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know which Stoic principles resonate with you the most. Until next time, stay strong, stay stoic, and keep improving yourself.